Hello student, this is class 10th science chapter 4 and part 8. In this video we will discuss unsaturated hydrocarbon, I mean alkenes and alkynes. Second is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Its mean multiple bond hydrocarbon. Multiple bond, multiple carbon bond hydrocarbon. Carbon bond hydrocarbon. Multiple bond means where the bond is double and triple. I mean double bonds hydrocarbon and triple bond hydrocarbon. The first is alkene. Alkene means where at least one carbon double bond is called alkene. The structure of alkene is represented as 1 2 3 4. The first is ethene. Ethene is also called ethylene gas. C2H4. The structural formula of ethylene is represented as C and C. This is alkene, so at least contain one double bond. The structure of ethylene is represented as C212 and 4 hydrogen is represented as 1 2 3 4. Second is propene. CH3H6. It's represented as CC. 1 2 3. Where at least contain one double bond, it's represented as or C. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. One, two, three, 4. In this case, 6 hydrogens are present, which is represented as or the next is butene. Butene CH4H8. C 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Its hydrogens represented as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This is represented as. The structure of butene is also represented as 1 2 3 4. The both structures are same. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 where 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 where hydrogens is located as 8 hydrogens 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next are alkynes. The next is alkynes. Alkynes means which contain at least one carbon triple bond is called alkyne. First is ethine. Ethine, I mean acetylene gas. Acetylene, C2H2. C2H2. Sorry. In this one, two, three, four, 1 2 3 4. The next is propine. Second is propine. C4H6. Sorry. C3H4. 1 2 3. It contains at least one carbon triple bond. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. One, two, three, four. The structure of propine represented as, it is also represented as both structures are same. Next is butane. C4H6. C4 1 2 3 4. It contains at least one triple bonds. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. It contains 6 hydrogen. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It is also represented as 1 2 3 4. One, two, three, 4 5 6. Both structures are same. Notes of this topic. The first page of this topics unsaturated hydrocarbon. First alkenes, name of hydrocarbon formula and structural formula. First is ethene, second propene, third butene. The next page of this topics second alkynes, name of hydrocarbons, formula and structural formula. First ethyne, second propyne, third butane. Ethyne C2H2, it is also called acetylene gas. Propyne C3H4, butane C4H6.